Want to start using the TikTok Pro app, but not sure how? I'm Jessica, and in this video, I'll show you how to download and install TikTok Pro Events. Note that this video will demonstrate on iPhone, but written instructions for both Android and iOS will be listed in the description box. Now let's get started. To download TikTok Pro Events, first open the App Store. Go to the Search tab. Then type in TikTok Pro in the search bar. Tap TikTok Pro Events when it appears in the search results. Then tap Get. If prompted, use Face ID or enter your password to confirm that you want to download the app. Wait for the installation to complete. Then tap Open to start using the TikTok Pro app. That's all it takes to download TikTok Pro Events. Want to try other live streaming apps? Check out these tutorials next. Click one of the videos on your screen now to watch. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, we'd love it if you'd hit the like button below and subscribe to our channel. We put out great new tech tutorials like this one every day.